Is it the right time to make a decision about Nano-X Imaging Ltd stock? Let's explore deeper into Nano-X Imaging Ltd. In our initial report published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024, we provided you with valuable insights. Today, we'll delve even further to analyze this company in detail. To ensure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated on our latest analysis. You can also enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. This tool taps into the power of artificial intelligence and provides free price predictions and deep analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Make the most informed decisions today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has ranked Nano-X Imaging Ltd as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 103.62% since our initial recommendation to buy Nano-X Imaging Ltd just 3 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 34.54% since the stock was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there may be a slight decrease of -0.0144% over the next 3 months. This means that the potential return could range between -58.93% and -0.0144%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a larger decrease of -25.36% over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -98.34% and 0.0536%. In terms of price, it could range from $0.215 to $12.96 after 12 months. Our latest update for Nano-X Imaging Ltd brings exciting news. On Friday, the stock price of Nano-X Imaging Ltd experienced a volatile ride, moving between $9.85 and $14.28. The stock price of Nano-X Imaging Ltd showed significant gains on the last trading day, rising by 36.32% from $9.50 to $12.95. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. We are eager to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 44.97%, reaching a low of $9.85 and a high of $14.28. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a remarkable increase of 128.8% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $569.03 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Nano-X Imaging Ltd was $22.69, while the lowest price was $4.89. Currently, the price is 42.93% or $9.74 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 86.34% or $81.86 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $94.81. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. Let's take a look at some recent ratings for NNOX. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave NNOX an overweight grade with a hold action. Another rating was reported on Friday, September 8, 2023. Alliance Global Partners gave NNOX a buy grade with an initialize action. According to analysts, Nano-X Imaging Ltd stock has received a general rating of neutral. The PE ratio is considered a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also seen as a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Nano-X Imaging Ltd. The stock of Nano-X Imaging Ltd is showing positive signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, the stock will find support at the levels of $7.57 and $6.18. However, if the stock goes below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Monday, February 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 143.42% so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that despite the stocks gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, there was a buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nano-X Imaging Ltd. Today's level does not have any support from accumulated volume, which means that the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the very high-risk nature of this stock. In the past day, Nano-X Imaging Ltd saw a price range of $4.43, equivalent to a 44.97% difference between the highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 23.9%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Nano-X Imaging Ltd, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.300. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Nano-X Imaging Ltd. When it comes to resistance from accumulated volume, there's nothing significant above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could make a swift upward move. In such a scenario, consider entering a position and use volume as a key indicator for determining your exit strategy. On the other hand, there isn't much support from accumulated volume below. This implies that under certain conditions, the stock may experience a sharp drop. It's crucial to exercise caution in such situations. It's advised to place bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate these circumstances effectively. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $12.58, which represents a decrease of 2.82%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in higher risk levels. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 84, indicating an even higher level of risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 9 days ago. Is Nano-X Imaging Ltd stock a good buy? Although Nano-X Imaging Ltd holds several positive signals, we don't consider it to be a strong buy candidate at the moment. It would be more prudent to hold or accumulate this stock while waiting for further development. Our analysis indicates that the current price of Nano-X Imaging Ltd is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. On Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate Nano-X Imaging Ltd to open with a decrease of $0.590 and begin trading at $12.36. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinions in the comments below. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you a successful day of trading. Thank you for joining us at Stock Invest.